Imagine this. You describe an idea. Let's say a dreamy watercolor forest scene in pastel green and beige tones. And in seconds, you not only have the image, but you can edit it with GPT-4o, upscale it, and turn it into a cinematic video, all in one platform. That's exactly what Freepik just launched. It's called the Freepik AI Assistant, and it might be the most creator-friendly AI workflow I've seen this year. Whether you're a designer, marketer, content creator, or just someone who wants better visuals fast, this new tool gives you an end-to-end experience. Image generation. GPT-4o powered editing. Intelligent upscaling. Color palette and style selection. And the big one, image-to-video conversion using top-tier AI video models like Kling 2.0, Google Veo2, and Runway Gen-4. Let me walk you through it. Assistant, 1 to 140. Head over to freepik.com/Pikaso. On the top bar, you'll see a new option called Assistant. Click it, and you'll be greeted by a smart, conversational interface. Think ChatGPT, but for visual creativity. You can start by describing what you want. For example, design a flat-style illustration of a dog surfing a wave in orange and teal color palette. Within seconds, the assistant will generate multiple options. You can refine the prompt, try different styles like 3D, watercolor, or vector flat, and choose from color palettes that match your brand or mood. It feels like having a visual designer and color consultant on call. Now here's where things get powerful. Once you have your image, you can say, replace the surfboard with a floating log. Add sunset lighting from the top left corner. This is GPT-4o enhanced image editing built right in. It applies visual modifications like object swaps, lighting changes, background blur, and more, all from natural language instructions. You don't need Photoshop. You don't need layers. You just ask. Done with edits? Great. Now hit Upscale to sharpen and enhance the image, perfect for larger formats or detailed use. But it doesn't stop there. You can now click Create Video, and here's the magic. Freepik lets you send your image into a video pipeline using Kling 2.0, Google Veo2, or Runway Gen-4. That means your static image becomes a fully animated clip, cinematic, stylized, and ready for content, ads, or even short films. You control the motion, the pacing, and even the emotion directly from the same assistant. Freepik's assistant isn't just another AI image generator. It's a full content creation pipeline powered by the best models in the space. You describe it. It builds it. You edit, enhance, and animate without ever leaving your browser. And if you're into tools that make you 10x more creative with 90% less effort, like this video, share it with your team and hit subscribe. Because this is the future of content design.